up, Kailan? It's Mishireen. It's another day, another trip. It's 5 a.m. and from Uluwatu, we're going to Ubud. And first on our itinerary is the Lunamon Cafe.
Good morning.
Naglamin dito guys, kasla ato. Ang cute kasi meron silang kumot dito. Like, pwede kang manghingi ng kumot and bago yung bibigyan nila sa'yo. Pero syempre, ibalik mo.
Ang ganda naman dito, guys.
We got here earlier than our estimated time arrival, which is 6 o'clock, and we were here around 5. Thanks to our driver, Bahani. Grabe, napaka-aesthetic dito, guys. We figured that most of their food are Thai cuisines. So, nakalimutan ko yung mga order namin dito. Though, price range, para lang siyang Pinas. And anyways, let's eat! Next on our list, at 8 a.m. we arrived at Kretya Ubud, or also known as Alas Haru, to experience the giant swing. Let's go!
So the entrance fee cost 170 pesos or 50,000 I think.
Hindi rin mahirap dito, guys, kasi marunong sila mag-English.
This water only, right?
No.
Ano?
Water, guys.
Mga pila?
Hopefully not.
Ano? Ang talagang... Dito siya di ba mga takip?
Eto guys, yung raw. Yung kakairi pa lang na rat coffee or yung kinain ng rat na coffee bean and then buo pa rin nalalabas. Kaya it's called the rat coffee or the coffee luwak. So, bumili ako ng ganito, guys, and we also have this at the shop. Pero, yeah, sold out.
Sure, you can start from here.
So,
So,
swing.
just inform to you, if you want to do the swing now, we available for the super extreme and couple swing. So, for single line dress, guys, this is our regular dress. The long is 2 meter. We have so many color, like this. But for the color, later you can decide from the dress counter because you have to check first what color available, yeah?
O duwang na.
VIP dress.
Mag-violet ka, tits.
So, ayun guys, nag-avail kami ng drone shot. Pero guys, pag kukunin mo na yung soft copy ng drone shot, iba pa pala yung babayaran mo, be, 450,000 IDR, which is 1,600 peso. Oh my God!
Nice!
Ganda!
Ay, nakay si drone ko ay na...
Ang mga mapagpanggap, kunwari hindi naiinitan, pero pawis na yan, guys.
Dalawang spot lang po kami nag-picture pero pagod na.
Napakalawak pa neto, guys. Ang dami pang pwedeng pagpicturean. Para siyang
Bigat kasi
forest.
neto,
Forest! Or cultural park. Cultural park? Basta ganon. So, ang dami pang pwedeng pagpicturean pero ang bigat ng gown, guys.
Maganda ka dun, ma'am. Kasi dito, guys, ang nakalagay 315. Plus. Yung meaning ng plus doon is services or tax. And yeah. So, oo, careful kayo dito. Akala nyo lang mababa pero hindi nyo nakikita yung plus. Pakalawak pa nito, guys, pero nakakapagod kasi lang ako Mount Costa or nalawlawa kayo sa Mount Costa kasi ni Mount Costa is 6 hectares. Grabe, tatak lang na nalagaan the dress ko. And then buti lang maaga kami, guys, kasi ang haba ng pila. Mas dahil nag-withdraw kayo, guys, kay ATM kayo sa Money Exchange Cash.
Tangina, gago. Gaga.
Okay, you repeat.
You are so gaga.
We're finally here at Lagasingha.
Is the adult.
The one with the food, yeah.
Yep. And for the food and drink, one food, one drink, you can choose anything inside except the red dots. Yeah.
Except the red.
Yep. Drink also same, no the red dots. Okay. 3 of you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. gosh. There's the toilet. Look, 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 look. At least hindi strong yung chlorine. Vanilla milkshake. Ano pa kailangan ng additional? Ay, isa. Try ko guys kung malalan sa kabila para ipunta ko kayo doon. Let's go! So this is where we're at right now. Yeah. Chill lang. Chill lang guys. Gagi. Makabali na ta? Ano sa'y tornilyo? Diba ako yung aglang lang yung nag-iwal pasak na nga. Ano nga aplikasyon? Wow! Oh.
For booking, not included breakfast, maybe.
Yeah, not included.
Yeah, maybe.
Ganda.
Tama yung pinili. Hala, may sarili siyang batang. Puka na lang yan. This is our welcome drinks. Dito guys, mode of transport. Grab taxi. Hatid seryoso na, B.
Papakalakas, be.
Charge.
Ano?
So, here and my ATM bank din. Dito yung hat per booking siya. Welcome complimentary.
Grabe, te, oh. Sunog na sunog. Ito. Or ba? Kamay to. Ay, di ba?
Ah, you have other ice cream. Kakatim. Ilog natin na bilbila.
Medyo overrated yan.
Ito guys, bago lang ko nabula. So, kung pupunta kayo dito, better na i-memorize nyo or
This is me convincing myself not to swim kasi it's too late, it's 10 p.m. and ang ganda ng pool. How would you say no to that? Charing. I want to swim pero galing lang po kami ng swimming. So, this is the pool guys. So ayun, bago lang pala to. Kaya yung mga riders dito or drivers hindi na to ano.
Time for, oh my god, nangisitak. And everything around me is white and light. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button because why not? See you on day 5.